Alright guys, so today we're going to be learning how to put free ringtones onto your iPhone or iPod. So what you're going to do is you're going to download this app called Ringmaker. There's the first one here, which it's $2. You can make a 40-second ringtone on this one. And then on the free version you can only make a 20-second ringtone. I'm cheap, so I bought the I bought the free one, and I made 2 ringtones so far. Just you can see right here, it'll be separated by a line. So then you're gonna go to the app. This one has ads, and now you're going to go to either designer or recorder, whichever one, and then you're gonna select a song. So let's just select Big Papa by Biggie Smalls. Alright, so I'm just gonna you're just gonna slide it around to whichever part you like. Alright, so let's just slide it along right there. And you're going to press that little plus. It's going to generate your ringtone. And then choose the way to upload your ringtone. Select iTunes. Hit OK. And now it's saved into the iTunes file sharing, which is what that message that popped up actually said. So we're going to go to iTunes, go to your iPhone or iPod, go down to, just go to apps, and then click Ringmaker, and you'll see all your ringtones that you made are over here. So they'll all be labeled as M4Rs, because that's what makes it a ringtone. And then you can just select Big Papa, and I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. So now that it's up there on my desktop, I'm just going to double click it, and it's starting to play right here. So now we're going to go to tones up here. That's in the actual library, not your iPhone. And I'm going to take it, just select it, and drag it down to iPhone. So now when I check in here, when I click on tones, it's right there. So now let's go back into the iPhone. And you can see it's right there, Big Papa. So that is how you get free ringtones on your iPhone or iPod. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.